All of us have within us this amazing capacity to manifest and attract anything that we want into our life.
It's official. Breakthrough research from Columbia University has now pinpointed the microscopic brainwave billionaires use to attract money instead of chasing it, and it's available to you. However, the researchers found this billionaire brainwave was dormant in most people, but activated in wealthy people. So, if you've struggled to get ahead, to provide, always weighed down by bills or debt, it might not be your fault. Cutting-edge neuroscience now believes getting rich isn't about toiling away at 2 jobs or getting lucky in a smoky casino. It's a microscopic brainwave that attracts money. It simply needs to be activated by using the 7-second brainwave ritual that's now being observed at both the Harvard University and Yale University research labs. So, when wealth experts tell you you don't work hard enough or you need to try harder, the actual neuroscience says they're misleading you. According to New York City neuroscientist Dr. Thomas Summers, the new finding reveals it's almost impossible to attract the home, the car, the luck, the love you want, no matter how hard you work, until this billionaire brainwave is activated in you. Dr. Summers says, activating this brainwave is simple and fast, but if it's not addressed, people's money worries will get worse. They might be short on money, or up to their neck in unpaid bills or suffocating debt, unable to provide the things their family wants most. But it gets worse. If it's not activated, hundreds of MRI scans show this wealth curse gets passed down to our kids, cursing them financially for life. Think about your own parents. Do you think it's possible this was passed down to you? I know it might sound dramatic, but my job is to tell people the simple truth based on 3 decades of gut-wrenching research. This isn't a doomsday prediction, it's a little bug in the brain that needs to be fixed. So, when you look at really rich people, it's not that they're that much smarter than you or worked that much harder. Until today, had this microscopic brainwave activated, you didn't. The trick is a 7-second brainwave ritual created by leading neuroscientist Dr. Thomas Summers. Have you ever wondered why some people are blessed with money, why things always go their way? I can promise you it's not because they're grinding away for 12 hours a day like you've been told to. And it's not because they drowned in debt to get a master's degree and move 1 rung up the corporate ladder. So what's the solution? Dr. Thomas Summers, a neuroscientist of 34 years whose work has been published in the most prestigious journals for all to see, was among the very first scientists to investigate the link between brainwaves and money, and one of the very few scientists to specialize in manifesting wealth and abundance. And now, you're going to discover his 7-second brainwave ritual that anyone can do at home to make more money start appearing in your life as soon as today. So, if you're finding it impossible to get ahead, or feel like the financial deck was stacked against you, then go ahead and tap the button below this video to see Dr. Summers' 7-second brainwave ritual now, while it's still online, while other people struggle endlessly financially, totally ignorant to the fix that's right in front of their face. You can finally kick back and start letting the money come in today, by harnessing the hard work of 34 years of neuroscience. Tap the button below this video to see Dr. Summers' 7-second brainwave ritual now.